So hi, selamat pagi. Saya Thurston De Silva. Okay, saya venture into business BE. I was introduced. Saya langsung tak kenal BE until December. So December first December, I went to a home party. I was invited to a home party by my upline. I just went. She didn't tell me anything about home party, anything about. She just came. She just said, "Please come. I got something to share." So saya pergi sajalah. So that time saya tengah nak cari diversify my business, you know. My business was nose diving like this. And then I'm a businessman. I'm an event planner. Event planner, I do labor supply, everything. But everything saya dah try. I'm a businessman for almost 20 over years. But business is like a lot of stress, right? So memang duit melambat datang tapi melambat keluar. So bila saya diperkenalkan untuk BE, yang benda yang stuck kat saya kan, the house fund and the car fund. It was like, wah, betul ke ni? So that was motivating to me lah. So I just want to try. But I don't know anything about that. So I tried the products first. I tried Alora pants, Alora socks. Satu malam tu saja saya nampak perubahan. Sakit kaki saya hilang. So satu malam tu tapak kaki saya sakit kan, so hilang. Then I said, betul ke ni? Second day lagi best. So I know this product is really working. And then I started to share to my friends lah, dalam 5-6 orang. Just sharing like that saja. Saya tak buat serious. First month saya jadi ambassador. And then after that, second month, the all my lines, siapa-siapa yang saya share, I just word of mouth only. And then I zero-rise myself. Sebab saya dari traditional business over 20 years. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to implement that. Can I do this method or this method? But when I see BE, the marketing plan, the strategy, the 139 was all something new to me. So I became like a baby lah. I totally became like a baby. Everything I will call my uplines. I'll call my uplines. I'll call, what is this? Even tengah-tengah malam pun saya call. Boleh tak saya tanya ni? So everything I want to know. I want to know. I was zero rise totally. And then I learn from scratch everything. And then I make appointment. I go. Saya tak cakap tau. Saya diam saja. Saya observe. Saya record. Saya ambil nota. Every appointment saya belajar daripada upline saya. Apa-apa yang dia buat, every 139 I master. Tapi 139 tu I cannot faham, you know. I cannot understand. I cannot, susahnya macam mana ya, the percentage, everything. So what I did, my RCCA Chris Bong, she did a review.